Now next is a interest rate future. Now interest rate future will be traded on the exchange. So it is again a standardized contract, and the exchange decide with the in case of India, it will be decided with the SEBI what should be the underlying instrument, what will be the expiry date, what should be the number of contracts, what will be the positions, margins, what are the trade cycles or contract cycles are available. So all this information will be decided by SEBI and stock exchanges, and for initial product RBI approval is mandatory. So basically, if you see the Reserve Bank of India guideline, it says that any standardized instrument traded on the recognized stock exchange for a notional security, means they are allowing futures on notional security, interest bearing instrument like government securities, on indices, government securities indices, and also it will include the money market futures. So even treasury bills and all those things on which also interest rate futures are allowed. So it is a standardized contract. It will trade on the exchange, and the clearing corporation will provide the settlement guarantee for those kind of transactions. And for providing settlement guarantee, there will be mark to market and margin is applicable. Now in India, if you see the first, before going to the various contracts available, what are the payoffs of futures and forwards? So it is exactly same, like means here I am taking the example of single bond future. So then it will become exactly same like any other, say, stock futures available in the market. So suppose any person has taken a long position in a future at a price of 100 rupees. So he is long on bond, but he is short on interest. So he assumed that interest rate will go down and bond prices will go up. So as price increase, he will make profit. Okay. So as price increase, he is making profit. As price decrease, he will have loss. So that is basically a limitation of future. In case of future or forward, there is always a opposite side risk is there. So whether it is interest rate futures or whether it is any other future, if you are trading in a bond future or a bond forward, then this is the basically a payoff matrix for long future, and similarly there will be a payoff metric for short future. So in case of short, if you are going short on a bond, means you are basically thinking that interest rate will going up and the price will comes down. So if the price actually come down, you are making profit, and if the price goes, interest rate goes down, price increases, then you are making loss. So it is a linear. Again, there is a opposite side risk. So this is cannot be basically whether you are doing future or forward, the opposite side risk is going to remain. And how you can avoid this opposite side risk? So for avoiding opposite side risk, you have a option. So similarly, in case of interest rate also, you will have a interest rate option. So we will see interest rate options in a subsequent slides.